New Arrivals Hot Sale Type Factory Custom MOQ 30 PCS. We have the same new fabric as the famous brand used. Let's have a check of our factory new arrivals. We made deep scoops cropping tops and cheeky bottoms for this bikini with high-quality zigzag stitching. The same triangle fabric looks very shiny. Back space up style with adjustable straps. Also a good elastic fabric. The cheeckerboard jacquard textured swimwear is very popular and classical. The thick fabric, we do not add pads, but also feel comfortable to wear. This fabric and style looks luxury and elegant. Fluorescent green is a popular color, matched with soft seersucker fabric. Makes women look energetic and eye-catching. We can also dye the color as you're customized.